How to fix not able to send images on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can simply switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then if you are using mobile data, then tap on the cellular option you see there and scroll down, and then tap on the show all option you see there. Further, scroll down again and make sure the toggle button for WhatsApp is toggled on, and if not, then toggle the toggle button for WhatsApp. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then in settings again, tap on privacy and security option you see there. Further, scroll down and tap on the photos option, and here tap on the WhatsApp option you see there and make sure the full access option is selected, or simply allow access to the photos that you want to send. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then in settings again, tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Further, scroll down and here go ahead and tap on the WhatsApp option you see there, and then tap on the offload app option. Offload the app and reinstall the app again, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then in iPhone storage itself, see if your iPhone storage is almost full, as if yes, then the apps might not perform to its fullest, so you can go ahead and delete unnecessary apps, videos, or files. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then open WhatsApp application and then swipe up on your screen and you will be led to the app switcher. Here, force quit WhatsApp along with all the apps running in the background and see if that helps. If not, then simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp, and make sure that the WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the WhatsApp application, as an outdated version may not work smoothly. And just in case if your issue is not fixed yet, then it simply could be the WhatsApp server status. So you can simply check the server status of WhatsApp, and if the server is down, then you can simply wait for the server to work. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then on your home screen, hold on the WhatsApp application and then tap on the remove app option and then tap on delete app. Delete the WhatsApp application and then reinstall the app again, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix WhatsApp not sending images. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.